Welcome to Shital Metals Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of soldering and welding wires. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 2006 at Pune, we serve to automobile, electronics, and other industries. Industry-leading prices, timely delivery schedules, and efficient logistic facility make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a vast range of rose solder sticks, soldering products, and wires. Rose solder sticks, Co2MIG, and mild steel welding wires offered by us are well known for their durability. Our soldering products and wires are in huge demand across the global markets. We also provide random and MIG welding wires that are setting a benchmark in the market. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of silver alloy and precision layer welding wires for automobile industry. We have expertise in offering solder sticks for structural steel fabrication and tensing sticks for general engineering. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.shitalmetals.com.